Today we are going to learn about another JSTL core library tag. Okay, that is forEach. You might have come across the Java collection, right? So while iterating the over the collection, then for at that time we have different kinds of mechanism to iterate the collection, right? The for each and iterator, many methods are there. Okay, so by using which we can iterate the collection. So similarly in JSP, so how we can iterate the collection? So there are by using for each one method is by using for each method, then we can iterate the collection, right, in JSP. So that I'm going to demonstrate as part of today's video. Okay, so let me, as it is, let me create the file like c underscore for each. Okay, for each, this is the c underscore for each dot JSP. This is the file, and let me close others and JSTL c underscore for each. Okay, so let me delete all these. So here let me take one collection. We'll iterate how we can iterate this collection by using the for each tag of JSTL core library. Okay, so what I can do, I will take one scriptlet to write some Java code. Inside that, what I can do, I will take I will take one array str array. The name is string str array is equals to the Java code. Since I am writing the Java code, so that is why I kept under the scriptlet tag. Okay, so new string array of, this is a string array. String array I can mention like Alex, and what I can write, I can comma, and I will let me copy 4 times. Okay, I just want to write all the strings, right? Smith, then Bob, and this is Martin, and this is Joseph. Okay, these are the strings we have. We just wanted to iterate this array. Once we got this array, what we have to do here is we have to add into request, the implicit of the request dot set attribute. Otherwise it will not get the value while iterating the array. Okay, so what I'll do, I will iterate the string str array. Will This is the key, and what is the value? This is the value, same value. I'm going to uh, this is the key. This is the key. By the key we'll get the list. Okay, that is why I'm adding this set attribute. Okay, so this is done, this is okay. So here we'll write c colon for each. Okay, for each is started. So here I'm going to iterate this one. Okay, so whenever we are writing like in Java for I equals to while iterating the object, right, kind of. So what we are writing, for each variable is equals to what? Variable is equals to str. Single value will iterate for which one, which collection. So collection is represented items. Item is equals to, here we'll write dollar, and we'll get the value here. Collection is str array. Okay, this is the collection we want to iterate. Okay, so this one I will close, and finally at the end we'll close c colon for each. Okay, we'll close this one. For each will close, and while iterating, what we'll do, we'll print each and every item. Okay, c colon out will use, and value value is equals to dollar, then curly brace, and here is str. This is the things we just wanted to print. Okay, this is the string, and inside that what I'll do, I will give one br, so that it will be every item. So every item will be printed in the next line. Okay, what I have done here is I have taken one string array and I have set the attribute in the string array, so that we will get the, while iterating the string array, we will get the value of the string array what is it holding. Okay, so what I have done, I have iterated for each, I have stored in the each item and storing in the one variable str, and over the this array. Okay, items, if it is a collection like list or map, we can pass that list or map. Okay, so this value equals to, and I am printing each and every string. While iterating, I got the first string, then I'm printing, and they can br one line, then next line second element till the end. Okay, so that I am printing. Okay, that it will print. Let me start the server, means deploy the application. Okay, so I will check. So now the application is deployed. Let me run that. Okay, so let me run that class c underscore for each, c underscore for each dot JSP. This is the file name we have. Okay, okay, so as it is, like we are seeing Alex, Smith, Bob, Martin, Joseph. So what we are doing, we are iterating and we are getting all these elements of this string array one after another. Okay, this is the this is iterating over the collection. Okay, fine. So far it is well and good. Okay, and one more thing I just wanted to uh, write, like let me do one thing. I will use this c colon out, then value is equals to this one, to give the one line, so that I just wanted to demonstrate another set of example for the normal things. Okay, so what this for each contains actually. So this I will close and I will give one br, so this is also closed. Okay, so now let me take same for each. Okay, I will copy this one, I'll copy this one and I will paste here. What I want, I will start this for each, and variable is equals to I. I will take the variable. So whenever we are writing, iterating the for loop kind of thing. So for I equal to 0, I equals to 1, something I less than equals to up to what it will loop, and it when it will stop. So the JSP for each loop, for each tag provides this start start or starts is equals to, will pass from 1, and this loop end is equals to 10. Okay, this is the start and end, and I will print this. This also I will print. This I will print, and for each closing also I need to take care. So this I will close, and this is the value of I, the variable I will print. I'm just trying to print the variable of I starting from 1 to 10. The another normal for this approach. So how we can iterate the start and end, that I am going to show. First I have shown the how to iterate the collection like string array. Same similar to a collection also we can iterate, and now I'm showing this one. Okay, if I go to this one and if I run, so something we have not closed. Start invalid, start invalid for tag for each. So we got this is a start issue. Start is not there. I think this is begin. Okay, so keyword I have not remembered. Okay, let me begin. We'll try. I think begin. No, otherwise we'll see the documentation. Okay. So let me start. Okay, yes, fine. That is the begin. 1 to 10. This is the way we are trying to print 1 to 10. First we have iterated the array, string array, and then now we have started the loop from start index to end index, and that is what we are getting. Okay. So I hope some idea you might have got how to work with the forEach tag of JSTL core library tag. Okay, and that's all for this video. In the next class, we'll meet with a new topic. Okay, thank you.